filmed this video before, and so I am so pumped to be presenting you with my favorite corally, orangey, creamsicle blushes and highlighters and blush lighters and whatever you want to call them. These are my favorite orange tone blushes to put on my cheeks in the spring and summertime. Now the next one is a newer blush to my collection. This is the Mini Bloom by Natasha Denona, and this is definitely more coral than it is orange, but on the cheeks, oh, it is so fire for summer. Let's see. Okay, this one's definitely more of a coral. I'm gonna just keep saying another favorite. You guys may have not heard me talk of this one too much, but this is Becca in Dreamsicle, and I don't think they make this anymore. I wear this as a highlighter, to be very honest, but it has the most beautiful creamsicle look, and it just blends so beautifully into my cheeks in the summertime. They're so affordable, and they have two different versions, and they have hung on in my collection for quite some time. It's pretty. It's such a beautiful corally, shimmery, goldeny. Ugh, it's so good. Please check it out if you guys are able to. I really like the ColourPop Super Shock blushes. So this is what it looks like, and I don't think this is gonna swatch well because it's kind of old, but it picks up really well with a synthetic brush, and I just blend it onto the cheeks and it looks so beautiful. I just say grab a synthetic brush and just dig in there, and then it applies beautifully to your cheeks. Can you tell? It's so beautiful. It's creamy. My goodness, my arm is just giving me all the feels. It's one of their serum blushes. This came out, this one. Can you tell? I'm just in love with this. This is the Kosas Helios Cream Blush and Highlighter. So I would definitely recommend all of these ones over the newer formulas I'm talking about in this video. But I know people are in the mood to shop, and if you like shades like this, you will probably like these two shades. I wear them in the summertime, in the wintertime, in the spring, in the fall.